Complete guide on personal training schedule in Easy Gym software. Adding personal training class package. Creating personal training schedule. Understanding booking. View personal training schedule. Edit personal training schedule. Selling or billing personal training package. See schedule and make booking from dashboard. Personal training booking from Easy QR portal or your business website. See bookings. Cancelling personal training session. Check client profile. See session reports. Let's start with adding new trainers. In the main navigator, manage and settings. Trainers, profile picture. You can add a profile picture from your local computer or capture one from the webcam installed on your computer. Full name, number, email, date of birth which is DOB, gender, address, trainer category, monthly salary, document. Login required. You can set up a username and password. The trainer can log in into their smartphone and view booking for personal training as well as group classes when they authenticate OTP, which is one-time password. Imagine you want to ensure that your personal trainer actually conducted a session for your client. You can use this function. Every time your client makes a booking and after the session, the trainer will log in and use this button to send the OTP. And then your client will receive an OTP on their registered email as well as contact number. Your client will provide the OTP to your trainer and the session is delivered after a two-step authentication. The mechanism is similar to Uber where you provide an OTP to the driver and the OTP informs the Uber company that the client has started the journey from the driver. We also have an after delivery feedback and rating function. You can contact our sales and support team for more deals on that. Continuing with personal trainer. You can set a commission for PT sessions given by our trainer. Commission percent per session. Commission percent per package sale. Grand commission on verification. This means commission will be given to the trainer only after the two-step verification as we discussed earlier. Per session rate. Sometimes you just want to sell one session, not a package. You can sell a single class session from your website or Easy QR portal and this will feed into per session rate which will be charged to your client. Let's put 100 here. Status, active. About trainer. Enter certifications and details about your trainer that will be visible on your clients on the Easy portal or your website. Adding personal training class package. In the main navigator, manage and settings. Then personal training. Add package name, validity of package in days. Price. Trainers. Select trainers that will be available for bookings after the client purchases this package. You can add one or more trainers. Your client can only book PT sessions with any trainer included in the personal training package. Let's select trainer A and trainer B. Maximum number of training sessions. It means the maximum number of sessions that can be booked or enjoyed by your client after purchasing this package. Status, active. Billing new client for personal training class. Main navigator. Billing and payments. Personal training bill. Invoice ID is auto-generated. Invoice data is also auto-filled. Membership ID is for your reference and can be customized as per your business. Client name. Let's add a new client. Name, number, email. Then click on save. You can add an email. Client source. From where your client came to know about your business. Gender, birthday, anniversary. Please note, Easy Gym will give a pop-up on your dashboard on your birthday as well as anniversary. Also, Easy Gym will automatically send greetings, SMS and email to your client on their special days. Enter profession, tax ID, workout hours, address, remarks. You can also add a client photo directly from the web camera or from your local desk of the computer. On the right, select joining date, the package we made. End date is auto-filled, sessions. Number of sessions are auto-filled, but it can be edited by admin, not employee level login. Discount, taxes, amount paid and mode. Hit save. The bill is auto-sent to your client via email as well as SMS. Creating personal training schedule. Manage and settings. Personal training schedule. You see the calendar and it has an existing personal training class schedule. You can double check and make a booking for your client, view bookings or cancel this class. Please note that when you cancel any class, all clients who have booked this session will get a refund for the session. They can use the refund session in another session. You can also edit the session by clicking Edit Class Session. If you wish to change the time, date, description or anything. To create a new schedule, click on the pink button Create New Schedule. Now for Trainer A, select Trainer 1 from the drop down. Let's enable Open for Booking and enable Booking Can Be Cancelled. Booking starts how much time before? Let's enter 48 here. It means class booking will open 48 hours before the class time. Before how much time booking will be closed? Let's put 1 here. It means booking for this personal training session will be closed before 1 hour. No booking can be cancelled less than 1 hour before the session. Is booking mandatory? This will be shown on the Easy portal or your website. This session requires prior bookings and no walk-in will be entertained. Max seat available. It means how many clients can book. If you want to limit the session to 10 people, this field will restrict more than 10 people from booking this session. This session will be closed after 10 clients have booked the class. Someone cancels the booking from the Easy portal before the cancellation limit of 1 hour, then another client can book the class. Trainer. Select the trainer who will conduct this session. Time from time to. Set the session start and end time. Class schedule. One time or regular. One time means this class will happen only once on a particular date and at the selected time. This function is useful for specific classes or guest trainers. But when you have a regular class that happens frequently or daily, use this regular option. When you select regular, the date field is replaced by days. Select the days on which this session will happen. The venue will be auto-filled from your business details, but you can edit it. Description. Enter a description of the personal training image. Enter an image of this class, like a promo image that will appear on your Easy portal or website. Hit Add New Class Schedule. You can also find this new personal training session on the dashboard. Dashboard. Only left menu. Today's schedule. When you double click, a pop-up will open, showing how many seats are booked and how many more bookings can be done. Bookings will be enabled only when seats are available and booking conditions are valid. You can select a client name and hit submit. But before that, let me explain a quick brief about these 3 buttons. Cancel booking. When the class is cancelled, all bookings will be refunded to the client's profile. View bookings. This button will show bookings made for this session. Edit class schedule. If you wish to edit the class date, time or details, use this. Now let's continue with booking and hit submit. And it's done. Now let's check bookings. Go to the dashboard and click on Booked PT Sessions. Now let's see how to check bookings made by one particular client, which sessions are delivered, when, and most importantly, how many PT sessions will left with them. Go to clients from the main navigator. Click on the profile. Go to bookings. You will see bill details, package type, total sessions, booked or used sessions. And when you click on the view history, you can see a complete history of bookings, cancellations as well as deliveries. To see a report on total number of sessions booked or delivered, let's jump to the main navigator. Reports, session. Select a date. You will see all personal training and group classes sessions delivered, pending and cancelled here. Please note, the report section is only visible to admin level accounts, and all reports in Easy Gym can be exported to Excel. Let me show you how bookings can be made from the Easy QR portal or website by your client. Before that, we want to introduce a little bit about Easy QR portal. Many of you want to get an app for your gym and fitness studio, but iOS or Android apps both cost you too much, but just one time but annually. They cost you. Plus, users don't download apps that don't belong to big brands. Conduct a survey in your own gym to see how many of them will download your app or your competitors' gym apps. Hardly 5% of clients will download these apps. So Easy Gym has come up with a unique free Easy QR portal. It loads in less than 2 seconds on your client's phone internet browser. Believe us, it is free and provides a 500% better user experience for your clients and even your walk-ins. Coming back to bookings, go to the big icon, Big Personal Training Class, and you will see all class sessions, just like any movie booking site. Select a session and then the client just needs to enter their registered number. If the client with the registered number has a valid package and is eligible to book this class, Easy Gym will send an OTP. And once you receive the OTP, you have to enter that client. The session will be booked. Yes, it's that simple. Also, you can start selling single session or packs for 4 to 5 classes with the Easy Gym Easy QR portal. Connect with our team. We will assist you with online payment gateways too. Say goodbye to the annual cost of apps and skip convincing clients to download apps they don't trust. Use this Easy portal today. We have 2 additional features for managing personal training: Google Calendar integration, instant booking without schedule. Google Calendar integration. Your trainer's Google Calendar can be integrated and they will be able to see the schedule in their personal Google Calendar. Instant booking without schedule. Sometimes there is no pre-made training schedule and clients ask for personal training. Just go to the dashboard, double click on the empty time slot and a pop-up will come up by saying instant booking. Select the client, double check the time and date and then hit submit. Instant booking is done.